Join me as I dive into the mind-bending world of quantum physics and try to uncover secrets that will totally blow your mind. You know, the world of quantum physics is a fascinating place where the rules of reality as we know it just don't apply. It's a realm where the impossible becomes possible, and the weird and wonderful are an everyday occurrence. And yet, despite its fascinating nature, many of us still struggle to wrap our heads around the concepts that govern it. One of the biggest misconceptions people have about quantum physics is that it's all about tiny things like atoms and particles. But the truth is, quantum physics is just as much about us as it is about the tiny building blocks of our universe. You see, the strange phenomena we observe at the quantum level aren't just limited to the tiny world, they have a profound impact on our everyday reality. And that's what makes quantum physics so unbelievable. It challenges our understanding of the world and our place within it. Another common misconception is that quantum physics is all about randomness and unpredictability. But the truth is, quantum physics is actually governed by very strict rules and patterns. It's just that these rules are so different from the ones we're used to in our everyday world that they seem random and unpredictable to us. And that's what makes quantum physics so mind-blowing. It forces us to rethink our entire understanding of cause and effect. But perhaps the biggest misconception of all is that quantum physics is just a theory, something that's still unproven and uncertain. But the truth is, quantum physics is one of the most well-tested and well-established scientific theories out there. The evidence for its principles is overwhelming, and it's been successfully applied in countless technologies and innovations that we use every day. And yet, despite all this, quantum physics still seems unbelievable to many of us. It's as if our brains just can't handle the strange and counterintuitive concepts that govern this world. But that's what makes it so fascinating. It pushes us to the limits of our understanding and challenges us to think in new and innovative ways. One of the key phenomena that demonstrates the strange nature of quantum physics is entanglement. Imagine two particles, connected in such a way that what happens to one particle instantly affects the other, no matter how far apart they are. It's a concept that seems to defy the laws of space and time as we know them, and yet it's been experimentally proven time and time again. Another mind-blowing phenomenon is wave-particle duality. Imagine a particle, like an electron, that can behave like both a wave and a particle depending on how we observe it. It's a concept that challenges our entire understanding of reality and forces us to rethink the nature of matter itself. But perhaps the most fascinating phenomenon of all is the observer effect. According to quantum physics, the act of observing something can actually change its behavior. It's as if the very act of looking at something can affect its outcome, and that's a concept that has profound implications for our understanding of reality. One of the most astounding implications of the observer effect is that it suggests that our perception of reality is not necessarily an objective fact, but rather a subjective interpretation. It's as if our brains are constantly creating our reality, and the act of observation is what brings it into being. It's a concept that challenges our entire understanding of the universe and our place within it. The observer effect also has profound implications for the concept of free will. If our observations can affect the outcome of events, then does that mean that we have control over our reality? Or is it the other way around? Is our reality controlling us? These are just some of the mind-blowing questions that quantum physics forces us to ask. So, what does it all mean? Well, that's the million-dollar question. Quantum physics is a world that's full of mysteries and unanswered questions. But one thing is certain, it has the power to reshape our understanding of reality and our place within it. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the mind-bending world of quantum physics. If you're as blown away as I am by the sheer weirdness of it all, be sure to leave your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're hungry for more, Check out my other videos on related topics. Until next time, keep exploring.